Hello everybody, it's summer. Well, actually it's been summer already because it's July. I've been changing up my room a little bit, and this is what I'm doing with my room. So I took off like everything. This is a wardrobe that holds like some of my things, and you guys probably seen it in other videos. It's like brownish. I've had that wardrobe since I was in the womb, like in my mama's womb. I was in there and she bought this for me. But it doesn't go with my colors. Like I have this, which is white. That's my bed frame. And it's white too. I have to paint another coat on it. There she is. Oh my gosh, she's playing with my camera. Say hi to the... I bought these. I'm gonna replace the handles with these. My grandpa like helped me do the first part of it. Oh shit. Okay. Well, that's that. Oh wait, I was supposed to shake it. Okay, I can see like why my grandpa wanted one more coat. Like it looks nicer. Guess who finished? It looks way better with the third coat on it, so now I have to paint the drawers, which are these huge ass sleeves that go inside. I'm fucking done. Look, and I even installed these little rhinestones. I put them on my drawers too. Kind of miss having my room with this much space, but then where am I gonna do my work? I got this ottoman at Walmart, and you can store things inside of it. So I just put this over because Nala likes to get on top, and like her paws are like dirty. So my LED lights from the other side of my room broke off. I guess like the wall becomes hot and it made like half of it come off. So I'm gonna put it somewhere else. I just don't know where. I was thinking like somewhere right here. But the thing is, I don't have like a long extension for it. Alright, so I'm done for now. I have to wait till my parents get home so they can push back the table I have, because that thing is really heavy. It needs 2 people to be carried. Literally, my dad can't even carry it alone, and he like works with heavy boxes here because literally look at these little muscles. Like I have no strength to pull it back by myself. I'm gonna put my stuff up. I'm gonna put like a bin and all that, and I'm gonna put my purses on top because why not, you know, it'll look nicer like that. Alright, so this is the idea I kind of have for the top of this. I freaking stained it. I stained the thing. Oh my gosh, with this. I'm gonna cry. I'm literally gonna cry. What the fuck? I finished it. Here's the end result. It says my name on it, but I put my sign right there and asked for the mark. Alright, guess who? Wait, voice crack. They bought my things back, so I have to clean it. because that shit is dirty AF. This is how my room looks like now. That's the LED lights from my door. And then these are the other ones. It stops like halfway, which is kind of disappointing. I may move it, but I don't want to like the tape to get like unsticky, so I'm probably just gonna leave it there for now. That's also halfway, which is really unsettling. Like, it's annoying. And then my pom-poms are up here. I just need to return everything to where it's supposed to be in like a nicer way. Shoes are right there. I don't know what that— oh, those are my new pair of shoes. Oopsies. I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. My room is finally all done. I'm gonna show you a mini room tour for now, because I'm not sure if this is how I want to keep it. Okay, this is my bed. It's a full bed. Those are clothes that I'm probably gonna donate because I just don't want them anymore. I have things under, but it looks ugly, so we're just not gonna show that. I don't know where all these things are. They're all unmatched because I don't have a full comforter set. I have my LED lights and I have these two lights. These are all my shoes. I have more, but they're all like in boxes under my bed or like in my closet. And this is my door that leads to my room. And this is an LED light that you saw me put up. The LED light is from Marshalls or Ross, so it works pretty well actually. Just super short. And this is like my bags that I have in a random sweater. And that's my closet that I just put all my clothes in. I'm not gonna show inside because it's really messy. Maybe I'll do like a part 2 to this video and organize, and I'll show you guys what's inside. This is the dresser I painted with my grandpa, but I finished painting the second coat. I mean the third coat. I replaced these things right here. These are from Big Lots. Up here is my sorority sign, like I said, and the mask that I wore in the dance a long time ago, and my drill palm. And those are my purses. I had free space here back, I don't know, like a long time ago, and I put that up, but I never took it down, so it's probably just gonna stay there until I move out. That's just a tiny painting that I got at Hobby Lobby. I really like the dress, so I just put it there. My laundry, that is a poster that the drill girls gave me when it was my senior night. So, wait, they were like only like 3 girls, but they gave me that and they made it for me. Here is my desk. The mirror is not really at the center because I really want to have like a space just to like, you know, do my homework and not have like everything in the middle. I don't know. And this is like my chair. It's just a random chair from Big Lots too. Big Lots comes in clutch. And this turns on, guys, like right here. It's like super bright now. My camera looks so bad. This is my laptop that I use for school. It's filled with stickers from Daiso. This is my school. Banana slugs forever. Anyway, this is like the rest of my stationery. This side is just an ottoman that I put stuff in. And this is like kind of messy, but if you take these 2 things out. So these are my LED. Oopsies. Why do I keep saying that? This is my phone charger thing. I put it right here. I put it like around actually, and then like so I could charge my phone by just putting it on top. This is my jewelry that I wear, you know, just little drawers. And this, I just put like special things that I get. Like I have a rock that I got from beach in Barcelona like a couple years ago. So yeah, that's my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sending positive vibes to everybody who watches this. There may be a part 2 though for this mess in here. But anyways, I'll see you guys. Bye!